stretching is all about just stretching from your neck all the way to your ankles. And look, you work in preschools, you work in child cares, you work at family center, all these different things. How are you not warming up in the morning with your kids and then you gotta chase after them for 8 hours? It's amazing. Like pro athletes work less than you and they warm up more than you. Think about it. All right, so just roll your head around, nice and easy. If your head falls off, I'll give you some glue. Go the other way.
Okay.
Okay, good, nice. All right, look up, down, left, right, ear to your shoulder, ear to your shoulder, ear to your shoulder. Everybody okay so far? Okay, good. All right, cool. Let's step it up a little bit. Just start swimming. Okay, cool. Hit as many people as you can. Well, how many of you live in the world you tell kids not to hit other people and then you're surprised when they're doing it? Like if I said to you right now, I don't want to hear a peep out of you. Thank you. Exactly. I'm so surprised. All right, and, oh, there's a shark! Swim! Go faster! Go the other way! Go backwards! Go! There's sharks all over! One arm forward, one arm backwards! Try it the other way! One arm forward, one arm backward! Rub your nose. And freeze! Tremendous. Big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. Big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. Palms out, back and forth. Stretch your chest out, palms out. Okay? Palms down, stretch out your biceps, right up in the front here. How many of you spend the day picking up 10, 15, 20-pound kids? I was gonna say barbells. That wiggle. But you're not warming up these muscles up and back. Let your shoulders just loosen up. By the way, you go to yogarati.tv.com, takes you right to our free YouTube channel. This is called Silly Stretching. Don't even just put it on for the kids, light a ciggy, have a good time, have them watch it. And I'm kidding, remember, I'm not politically correct. Okay, good. All right, elbows up, washing machines. How many of you are feeling like dunk, like your vertebrae in your body are actually moving and it's feeling good? Yeah, right, okay. This is called spaghetti arms. For those of you that do Tai Chi, the Tai Chi twist. Have your arms just loose like this. Okay, cool. Now, just twist your body and notice what your arms do. Why you hit yourself? Why you hit yourself? So notice that. So now, start doing this. And your arms go. And now gently just tap yourself or the person in front of you. Tap yourself in the back of the kidneys. Nice little gentle kidney massage. Okay, cool. All right, now, take your hands, drop them down. Look at where your palms are pointing. Where are your palms pointing? Are your palms pointing behind? Are they pointing to your legs or in front? How many people have their palms pointing back? How many people have their palms pointed towards their legs? Okay, how many people have their palms forward? So notice what happens. For those of you in the back, just like believe, or I don't know, there's no video up here. But by the way, anybody that fills out an evaluation in addition to getting a Yoga Rani wristband that we're probably gonna run out, everybody, if you put your email, nice that we can read it. We're gonna send you an entire resource email that has videos, the whole mind and body, everything, yoga videos, meditation, just stuff that can help you. Inner child meditation for you to connect with your inner child. Okay, so now, if you're here, what happens when you turn your palms, look at my shoulders. What happens when you turn your palms forward? Notice the difference. Try it. Palms at your side. Now turn your palms forward. Notice what happens here. Right? Your shoulder blades go back. Why do we have neck pain? Why are there people that have that rolling thing or the hump in their neck? Because you drive like this. You don't drive like this with your back. You type like this. You text like this. All these movements are pulling your body forward. So what I want you to do is pretend like you're texting. Okay? Now, notice now drop your arms, turn your palms forward, and notice your shoulders go back. Now, if you want to actually do a workout to benefit you, pretend like there's a straw or a piece of string, something in between your shoulder blades, and then just squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then put it down. And this little thing right here, can you do this in your classroom while you're working with your kids? Absolutely, so that you don't get a neck hump or any sort of injury like that. Okay, cool, let's keep going. All right, so now we're gonna stretch our side body out. So everybody go like this, everybody go ha ha ha! And go hee hee hee! And go hoo hoo hoo! What are you, a bunch of owls? I don't give a hoot. By the way, this is all the stuff that I do with my kids, so like eventually, some of the like neurodiverse exceptional leaders in the classroom, they start taking the jokes and doing the punchlines, which is totally fine, because then as Chris Rock or Adam Sandler or Kate McKinnon develops, I get, hopefully 10% of their contract. All right, everybody go this way and go, ha ha ha, he hee, hoo hoo. Oh, everybody go, ho ho ho. What are you, a bunch of Santa Clauses? And I go, somebody else me a train, and the kids sometimes laugh. Okay, now, how many of you have any sort of lower back pain? Okay, so did you get in an accident, or one day your body's like, hey, you know how you've been feeling really good? Let me shut that down right now. So your lower back pain most likely comes from either your hamstrings are too tight, or your glutissimus Kardashianus maximus is too tight. So all I want you to do is just gentle stretching. Everybody go like this, make your chicken beats go brrr! And let's peck for some C's. Watch, we're just gonna go gentle. Peck, 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 peck. And you just feel the back of your legs and your hamstrings just kind of stretching. You may even feel your lower back release. And now let's pick some bananas like a bunch of monkeys. Everybody go, woo! And go pick, 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 and peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, pick, peck. Everybody, okay, so it's an illusion, it's not real, but try this one. Clean out your brain. Take your finger, put it in your ear, stick it through put it through so your tongue was out. Can you see me? Okay, now go like this, good. Now, do it the other way, turn around and face the other direction so everybody sees you. And then make eye contact with someone while you're doing it. Look them right in the eye. Awesome. Okay. Now, how many of you have ever had an injury in your knee, your meniscus, your ACL, your PCL, your MC hammer? Can't touch it. Okay. By the way, notice how I'm constantly interrupting you and taking you all over the place. This is fun stuff to do with your kids. Your kids' classroom, your day does not have to go the way that it's always been designed. It could be more fun. How many of you would prefer I start educating you as opposed to entertain you? Exactly. No, like somebody's going to run through. Okay, so your ACL, your PCL, your MCL, all these different tendons and ligaments. What happens is if you don't strengthen them, then you could go chase after a kid and something could just pop. I don't want that to happen. So just take your hands, put them on your knees, and just do little circles. Okay, and the other way, you may feel like little stuff happen. Okay, cool. All right, now open your feet, big circles like that, and go the other. Miss, we're not doing this. That's not what we're doing. Okay, everybody pay attention, okay? You're going the same direction. No, we're not doing, I don't know what this is. We're not doing that, please, okay? This is early childhood. So you're gonna go like this. Oh, sorry, I had a flashback. Okay, cool. All right. Balance on one foot. Balance on your left foot for 5 seconds. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put it down. Okay? So now you know your balance. Now, instead of balancing on your left foot, what I want you to do is I want you to drum on your right knee, like this. And the more you drum, the higher it comes up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice. Put it down. How many of you had better balance the first time? How many of you had better balance the second time? Most likely you had better balance the second time because the first time, your mind was focused on your ankle. Second time, your mind was focused on your knee. How many of you have ever weighted tables? Do they tell you to look at the tray or don't? Right, because your body has balance. Are any of you right now standing going, all right, we got this. All we have to do is stand maybe another 30 seconds. We're good, okay. All right, too bad. Mayday. No, you're good. Like, no, we don't do that. Our body has natural balance, but our brain and our mind kick in and throw us off balance. So let's try the other side. Ready? Just balance on your right foot 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Now, drum on your left knee for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Who balanced better the first time? Who balanced better the second time? So just consider, have a seat. Don't consider that. That's just do that. Yeah. I got like 4 voices going on at once. Just consider what you focus on in life is what benefits you and where your energy goes. So if you only worry about what goes on, what could be a problem. How many of you have, hold on a second. How many of you wake up and your brain goes, give thanks, give gratitude, say what you're blessed for? How many of you wake up and your brain just goes, what do I need to worry about today? Yeah. So what you focus on is where your energy goes. Does that make sense?